is my brother's room, so it's kind of a little annoying down in here. But I'm going to show you by myself. Ready? First up, I'm going to show you the beds. Hold on, let me see. So, right there, I'm going to show you the beautiful base over there. It's so beautiful. And here are the beds. Never mind. Something happened. I don't know what happened, but yeah. I'm going to show you the beds like this. Just two beds. This is my bed. I have everything there. My cookies over there. See that, but and here's our aisle. Everything else. Our bathroom. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. I bought this last time for my soccer game to do tennis, but I actually do not have tennis today. But tomorrow I will have sports. And then, so right here, I got my undies. I got some of these, my dog. Right here, I got shoes. Up here, I got my beautiful pajamas because I'm going to the shower. I'm going to put it on. I'll be right back.